So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through factorization method. So here it is given, solve the quadratic equation given by 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0 by factorization method. So here first we'll write the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this quadratic equation is a bit different from the quadratic equation involving root terms, square root terms that we have solved. Here the square root is present in the middle term, okay, and the extreme terms a and c, they have no square root terms. So it's a bit different, so let us see how we can solve it. So comparing it with the standard format of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2 root 6 and c is equal to 2. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to split this middle term in such a way that the resultant product of the split terms is equal to the product of the two extreme terms. So the product of the two extreme terms, it is 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. So how we can split this middle term? Then minus 2 root 6x, we can write it as minus root 6x minus root 6x. So here the product of the two split terms, minus root 6 into minus root 6, that is equal to 6. So here also 6, here also 6. So in this way we will split. So let us perform the split. 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now the turn of factorization. So here that implies taking 3x common, 3x common, 3x into x, so 3x square minus root 6 by 3, this root 6 by 3. So then 3 gets cancelled and we have minus root 6x. Then minus root 6x common into x minus root 6 by 3. See, root 6 into x, that is root 6x, then root 6 into root 6 by 3, that becomes 6 by 3. 6 by 3 is how much? 2. So here it is 2. Okay, so this is how we have performed the factorization. So that implies 3x minus root 6 into x minus root 6 by 3 is equal to 0. That implies three x minus root 6 is equal to 0, or x minus root 6 by 3 is equal to 0. That implies x is equal to root 6 by 3 root 6 by 3, or same here, x is equal to root 6 by 3. Now here both the values of x, they are the same. So here root 6 by 3 is root 2 root 3 by 3. So here it is root 3. So it is root 2 by root 3. Okay, root 2 by root 3. So here the value of x is equal to root 2 by root 3, or x is equal to root 2 by root 3. Okay, same values. So x is equal to root 2 by root 3 or root 2 by root 3. So this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. So it was a bit different from the previous square root type quadratic equations, where here the square root is present in the middle term, but in the previous square root cases the square root was present in the either of the extreme terms a or c. Here it is present in the middle term b. Okay, so this is the solution. So here is another question on quadratic equations. So it is given, solve the given quadratic equation root 3x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0 by factorization method. So here each and every term of the quadratic equation, it involves a square root. Okay, so first we will write the quadratic equation root 3x square minus 2 root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, comparing it with the standard format of quadratic equation, okay, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We have here a is equal to root 3, b is equal to minus 2 root 2, and c is equal to minus 2 root 3. Now the product of the two extreme terms, it is root 3 and minus 2 root 3. So it is root 3 into minus 2 root 3, which is equal to root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3, 3 into minus 2, that is equal to minus 6. So we have to split this middle term minus 2 root 2 in such a way that the two resultant product of the split terms, that is equal to minus 6. So we can do it as minus 2 root 2x is equal to minus 3 root 2x plus root 2x. So in such a way, what we have is minus 3 root 2 into root 2, that is equal to minus 3 into root 2 into root 2 is 2, so minus 3 into 2, that is equal to minus 6. So here also minus 6, here also minus 6. So we have identified the two split terms. Now we will perform the split. That implies root 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus root 2x minus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. That implies taking root 3x common into x minus root 3 root 2. Root 3x into x, that is root 3x square. Root 3x into root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 3, that is equal to 3. So it becomes minus 3 root 2x. Similarly here, plus root 2 into x minus root 2 root 3. Same. Root 3 root 2 root 2 root 3, that's the same. So this is equal to 0. Here root 2 into x, that is root 2x, minus root 2 into root 2 root 3, that is equal to root 2, that is 2, minus 2 root 3, this. So as you can notice, this is the same, this is common. So now we can write it as root 3x plus root 2 into x minus root 2 root 3, that is equal to 0. That implies root 3x plus root 2 is equal to 0, or x minus root 2 root 3 is equal to 0. That implies here for the first case x is equal to minus root 2 by root 3, and for the second case x is equal to minus x is equal to root 6, root 2 into root 3, that is equal to root 6. Okay, so in the first case, one of the possible roots for this case, that is equal to minus root 2 by root 3, and for the second one x is equal to root 6, which is root 2 into root 3, that is root 6 plus root 6, minus root 2 by root 3 and plus root 6. So this is the solution of the given quadratic equation. Okay.